Do you know that you can make more than $100 within 30 minutes a day? Wherever you are around the world, whether Nigeria, India, Togo, USA, or anywhere, even if you are using only your smartphone, your iPad, and your laptop, and you can do this even though you are alone or a team to start this online job. You don't need a face-to-face tutor who will put you through in order to make this huge amount of money, and even in loads, multiple and multiple times, in thousands of dollars and naira. All you need to do is to concentrate on this video, and do make sure you don't skip any part or go forward, as I will be giving you some hidden tips and tricks, of which if you miss, you might not get this at all, or you might just waste your time, your data. So my advice for you to make this thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars anywhere around the globe, whether Nigeria, Tunisia, Ghana, or anywhere, is to listen to me and adhere strictly, as I will be showing you what it takes to make this money online. But before then, welcome to Tech Kings, where we show you how to make money online from tech skills. So please do make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell button. Doing this will mean that you are supporting Tech Kings. So let's get going to the video. So the website that will pay you $100 within 10 seconds, and you can make multiple of that, is you just go to Google Chrome and type wix.com. So some of you might know this website. Those of you that are into web design and website creation, this website helps you to create a website helps you to create a website you are proud of. So to create websites, they give free websites ending with Wix. So your extension name will end with Wix instead of .com. But to remove the .wix, you will need to pay for you to have .com for that extension. But thereby they will design their a template for you. If you want, you go for that. If you don't want, you just need to pay. You choose from 500 customizable website templates that are built to meet your business's needs. But we don't want to create a website. What we want to do is affiliates. So affiliates, this is it. For the affiliates, you need sorry for the affiliates, you need to share links with people. Once you share with people, the .com extension, .com.ng extension, and so on, is a premium version, so people get to pay before they can access this. So let me click on affiliate so that you can see. So this is the affiliate platform. What you are just going to do is make money with Wix. Promote the world's leading web publishing platform. So once you promote their product and you bring people to pay and create their this, they say over 109 million people worldwide choose Wix to create their website. Share in our success with the Wix affiliate program. We give you all the tools you need to promote on your website and earn top commissions. Conversion rates for premium plans are through the roof. So direct your traffic to Wix to earn big. So I told you, people that use the premium version, once they use your link to come to the premium version and they actually buy a premium version, you get the least payment is $100, and you can make that within 30 minutes. So you can see you earn $500 if you bring 5 people. So you can see $100 plus for every conversion. So any person that converts his account through you, that means they use your link to open an account and they bought the premium version, you get $100. You make money faster. A competitive payout of $100 per sale, among the highest in the industry. $100 per sale. $100 per sale. And how many people can you refer? Unlimited referrals. You can refer unlimited people. You can see creative resources, make sales now. You can see how they do it, intuitive dashboard, launch, and so there are basically three things. First, you open an account with Wix. Second, you open an account with Wix. The second, you promote their website, and third, you pay. So I'm going to tell you on my previous video. I told you I will tell you about websites where you can promote your links for free. So I'm going to be doing that in this video. So the first thing to do is to click on Get Started. So once you've clicked on Get Started, you'll sign up. I always tell you to use a dummy account. So you sign up. Once you've signed up, well, where's the pin to sign up? This is showing login. Let me check. Let me see. Web creation, design. Get started. So I think that sign up did not show up because I've signed up before. So let's see how it goes. You can make a lot of free websites here, free blogs. This is a plus for you. If you want to own a blog today, you can own it, but it will end with wix.com instead of ending with normal.com or .com.ng. So that's the difference. You can see you can create blogs, you can create portfolio sites, you can create online stores, all these what is it called? Like Jumia stores and all that. Wow. Sorry, the network here is kind of poor, rain is falling. I'm trying to get something done. So what you're just gonna do is click on Get Started, sign up. Once you signed up, you have a login details. So let me just go ahead and log in. Because I have an account with them, that's why. So I'm just going to click on login. So for those of you using Chrome, make sure you set browser to desktop mode here before you continue. So you see this is my platform. So from here you can create a new site. You can create a new site and all that. So you can see create a new site, whatever. Then if your aim is not to create a new site, what you need to do is you can hire someone also to create for you. Then our aim is to make money from the site, right? So you're just gonna click on this just domains is if you are searching for the domain you want to use. So you can actually make e-commerce sites and all that. So I just want to go to the home page so that I can see okay, let me look at the desktop view I'm using. Is kind of, if you're having a laptop, I advise try it on a laptop or a desktop or even a tablet. You have a greater view of what I'm talking about. So I want everyone to see this. That's why I'm using landscape mode. So you're just gonna scroll down to affiliates. That's where our aim is. That we are aiming at. Okay, affiliates. Let me see. affiliates. Then you click on start earning now. Then you will be asked to sign up for the affiliate program. So that sign up I did was, if the first one I was showing you that I signed in was if you want to create your own website, your own blog for free. I will teach you more on that on my next video. So but if I have different platforms for you to create free blogs. So but for the affiliate program, this is where you create your affiliate program account. You put in your necessary details, then you put in the URL that you'll be using, maybe your site or something. So you could just use YouTube, then your affiliate name, then you click on agree and T&C, then you submit. So let me tell you of where you are going to be promoting the affiliate links you'll be getting from Wix. But before then, let's go through a little break. So guys, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell button so as to get notified whenever we release any videos without we sharing the link. The place where you can promote your links for free, I have about 10 of them, but I'll be showing you only one in this video, and subsequently I'll be showing you the rest in the next videos to come. So the website is called findaforum.net. So you can promote links for free, but once you sign up, you for the first 10 you need to upload about 10 contents for free without using any link. So once that is done, they will know that you have not come to spam the group. So the next thing to do after you have made 10, you can make only 5 a day. Then once you've made 10, then you can promote your links after the 10. So what you're going to do is you just click on findforum.net. Then since what you're doing is about making money, then you click on this 3 dash. Then you search for a forum. You see, this place is for searching. So I have already typed make money online. Then you click on search. Then you scroll down. You can see there are lots of forums. Let's wait for it to load. There are a lot of forums that deals with making money online. See them, they are loading already. You can see Talk Gold, Cactus World, Solar Online, Online Roll, blah 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 blah, Cooking Jockeys, e-money space. So let me click on this fifth one. You see wonders. So you could post your links here, and also, but first remember to upload free upload free free text or free messages, then about 10 of them on how to make money online. Then the next thing to do after you have reached that 10 is you can post your links. So you can see that different things in money space doors. So let me visit them. So you can see this is the forum. There are different discussions going on. You can see. So once you've reached this stage, the next thing to do is to register. So you register an account under a money space, then you fill the form, and you make sure you click this I'm at least 13 years old. So then you click agree and register. Then you can post your links here after the first 10 messages without links. So this will bring us to the end of this video. Please guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Come and make money online. $100 for 30 minutes. Is that not very easy? So thank you. Until next time, we'll see you again. Good.